Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of two of the versions of Got7's latest album, which is called Present You Me. Now, along with the repackage, they also decided to include the concert songs that we've been waiting for so long. All of the exclusive concert songs that they did, all of the unit stages that they did in Korea are also in this repackage, as well as a few more songs, including the title song, which is called Miracle. Today I'm going to be unboxing two versions. I have the green one and the yellow one, which is the You and Me one and the Forever one. I do not have the Miracle one as it was sold out when I went to purchase. So I'll be doing a flip through of both of these photo books as well as the little pre-order gifts, and I'll show you guys the posters that I got as well. So I have two pre-order goodies here. One of these copies, by the way, is my sister's, so she already unboxed hers, so I will show you guys what she got as well. So you get this really pretty vellum pocket. It's really nice. It says Got7 Miracle Calendar. Now I'm very into planning, so I really like the idea of having a Got7 calendar because I know I'll use it and look at it a lot. So here we have this really pretty calendar. It has a hole on the top so you can like put it in a bulletin board or something like that, or you can tie them together if you like. You can see that there is really nice hollow on that. And I'll just quickly flip through all of these. It has pink on the back here with the Got7 logo. Now you can already start using this. This is the December calendar for this year. I really like that. It comes with a picture on one half and then the calendar on the other. It even has all of their birthdays already on here. So here on the 6th is JB's birthday. This one is on the 16th is the 5th anniversary of Got7, which is really cute. February is Mark. March is Jackson, Jinyoung, Youngjae. Here's Bam Bam, Yugyeom. Here is not a picture of Got7, but it's the chandelier from their music video. Here we have a few of these where they have group shots, or rather individual shots put together. Mark, Youngjae and Jinyoung, Bam Bam and Jackson, Yugyeom and JB. I really like this photo shoot, so pretty with the flowers. And then here another shot from the Miracle music video. So you also get some stickers that you can use in this calendar. Now I love stickers so much, so I really like these. You get a few hearts, some dots, some circles, and then you also have Got7's heads, which I think is really cute. I don't think I'll use these because they're just so precious, but I really like the idea of them and I think they look really cute. So I'm just gonna go keep that and put that as a collector's item. Now this is the exact same thing. Again, so I won't need to show you that again. So now we can move on into the two different versions that we have here. So I believe this yellow version is the You and Me version, which I think is really pretty. It is yellow and it has kind of like goldish stars on it. I think that's really nice. Or actually, they're kind of like holographic. And I really like this vellum bit at the bottom. So you can see, you can take it out. It says Miracle on it, and then you can take it off like that. And it's really pretty. So in here, when you open it, you do get disc 1 over here, which has Miracle, some of their new songs that they have, as well as all of their stages from previous concerts. It went all the way back to Fly Era. I know everyone was really excited for 1:31 a.m. Obviously, you gotta love Phoenix and Hunger as well. One of my favorite songs on this album, though, has to be Miracle. It is such a good song, and I really like it. I also really like the song Take Me To You. They sang that in their comeback live, which was really nice. Open it up here, you just have some contents, production, stuff like that for the staff. And here you have a really pretty, another piece of like vellum with some stars on it, and behind there you get a really pretty picture of Got7 as a group shot. I wish I got this as the poster for my poster with this album, but I was a little disappointed, but I just really like this photo shoot. So in here you just get the CDs and then all the track listings, and some really pretty photo shoots. I actually already unboxed this a while ago. I picked this up like maybe last week, but it took me a while to film this video, so I've already looked through this, but So I've already looked through this, but I think my reactions will still be the same because Got7 is my ultimate bias group. So you have some really nice pictures of JB. I really like this one. When I first flipped through, I was like, wow, he looks so good. So yeah, like I was saying, if my reactions are not like super exciting, it's because I already flipped through. Oh my god, I love this. I really like this photo shoot with the flowers. I think it's just so pretty and soft. Now we have Mark's pictures. I really like him in this hair. I think it suits him very well. Jackson's photo shoots. I really like this outfit on him. It looks really nice and luxurious. Also, his shadow looks really nice. I know that's a weird thing to say, but he looks really good, basically. I also really like that hair color on him as well. Jackson, this is my favorite photo shoot. Oh my gosh. If there was a poster of like this photo shoot, I would get that in like a second. It's so pretty. Jin Young. Again, really like the colors in these photo shoots. This one is my favorite page. I think this was the page that Jackson showed in the comeback live countdown thing, where Jin Young has something in his nose. I thought that was funny. Oh, Youngjae, I really like the little highlights in his hair. I think it looks so fluffy. I do miss his long bangs though. That was such a look. My favorites. This is my favorite picture of Youngjae, this one. Bam Bam. Bam Bam looks so good. He knows his angles very well. How can you not fall for Bam Bam? I love these pictures. So pretty. I love this one. Yugyeom. I really like Yugyeom's sweater in this photo shoot. Yugyeom knows his angles very well as well. I love these pictures. And then you have some of these other ones. Some of these were the posters. The poster images. You have another piece of vellum here. It has like some silver stars on them, which is really pretty overlaid this picture. Here you have all of their thanks. JB, Mark, Jackson's obviously the longest one because he writes in different languages. Jinyoung, Youngjae, Bam Bam, and Yugyeom. I also really wish that these images were bigger. I really like these photo shoots. Or maybe like if they included these, or these photo shoots like bigger in the other versions of the album, I would have loved that so much. Because I'm pretty sure all of these photo shoots are quite similar to each other in all of the versions. I also really like this section. They did the acrostic poems with the word miracle, which I think is funny. Another really pretty page. And in the back you have the other CD, which is the same CD as the Present You version. And then in here some thanks and JYP staff stuff. And then this is the back, which I love. I seriously wish I got this as my poster, but I didn't. I'll show you that on the screen now. I still do love the poster that I have, but I mean, this picture is just so nice. That's another reason why I picked up this version for myself, because it was just so pretty, and I love this photo shoot. So now let's move on to the green one, which is the Forever version. It's going to be quite similar to the last one. I don't know why they decided that the photo shoots in all of the versions were going to be the same photo shoot, but just different images. I kind of wish they had the other ones, but either way, I just love them. So here, the CD is not in here because it's currently in the CD player, because I've been listening to it. Again, same track listing and staff information. Another piece of vellum with silver stars on it. And you get one of these. This was one of the teaser images, which was really pretty. I really like Youngjae's coat in this image. I think it's really nice. So again, the track listings here, some more group shots, and then into JB's pictures. I really like these pictures where like they kind of have like a lot of shadow to it. I don't know, I just really like them. Again, some more flower pictures. I love these pictures so much. Mark's pictures. So as you can see, again, quite similar to the other version, just a little bit of different angles. This is my sister's copy, by the way, so I'm very thankful that she allowed me to unbox it for you guys. I really like this picture of Jackson. He looks really good in that hair color. Favorite spread here of Jackson. And Jin Young. More Jin Young. Oh, I love this one. All of the pictures of the members with flowers, that has to be my favorite spread of each member. Young Jae. This one's really nice as well. I love this flower. I want to print out this picture. It's so nice. I want to put it in my planner. Bam Bam. I love this picture of him. Yukyum. Some more group shots of them closing their eyes. And then here again, another vellum sheet. If you can see there, it has like some stars on it. And I can't really see what's on this right now because of my light. But I think it has the lyrics to Miracle on it. I love this photo shoot. I really want this poster. And then again, all of their thanks. And then these two images, again, different photo shoot. Wish we had more pictures from those photo shoots in a larger scale. But they still look really good. Acrostic poems. Another group shot. Another group shot. And then the CD in the back here. Ta-da! So that is the flip of both versions. Now you also do get these two guys, which are the lyric books. So the actual booklet is like the lyrics. So in the first half, it says CD1 here. So the first half you get the lyrics to the first CD. So Miracle, Take Me to You, and all of those. And then when you flip it to the other side, it is the lyrics to the other CD. And the version that my sister got is the Mark version. Of course, Mark is her bias, so that was very fitting for her. Show you this one. This one's such a pretty picture, and these were her photo cards. Now she loves Mark so much that she actually got two of the same photo cards of Mark, which is really, really funny. So I'm probably going to switch one of my photo cards with her so I can have one of these so she doesn't have doubles. But she got two Mark photo cards with the Agabong and then a Youngjae photo card there. Youngjae looks so cute and fluffy in this one. I love him. So this is the back, just the pink. So I'll put that there. And then these ones are mine. So this booklet is the exact same. And of course, I had to get two Jin Youngs because I always get Jin Youngs in all of my unboxings. If you watch some of my previous Got7 unboxings, I always have at least two Jin Young photo cards. So I have here this picture of Jin Young with the Agabong, just like the one of Mark over there. I have this one that has a frame and his name on it with a flower. And that's the back. And then I have this one of Yugyeom. I think he looks so, so cute in this one. I really like his shirt as well. So I'm probably going to be switching one of these photo cards with my sister's. So that is going to be probably my collection there. I have no idea why I always get Jin Young photo cards. I am JB biased, even though like Got7 is my ultimate group. So I love every single one of the members, but for some reason I always get Jin Young versions of everything. So that is my unboxing of all of the goodies that I picked up from this Miracle repackage. If I didn't show you already, these are the two posters that I picked up while getting these as well. Again, I do love both of these posters. I think they're very, very pretty. I still kind of wish I got the other one, like the browner one. This photo shoot, I wish I got this photo shoot as my poster. However, I'm honestly just so happy with this repackage, especially since they treated us with all of the studio versions of the concert songs. I didn't really expect them to do that, but that is like so, so nice of them, especially since they finished their world tour earlier this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. I hope it was fun for you guys to watch. Let me know what version you guys picked up, what photo cards you got, and yeah, all of the goodies. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!